Hello everyone. I recently helped out a customer who wanted to trade in some of his silver bullion for some gold. With the gold to silver ratio around 90 at the time, meaning the value of 90 ounces of silver equals the value of about 1 ounce of gold, this customer wanted to acquire 4 ounces of gold. To make this happen without any kinds of transaction fees and nobody making money on either side of the deal, you'd need about 360 ounces of silver to get 4 ounces of gold at a 90 gold to silver ratio. Of course, we all know that when you sell coins, you get a little bit less, and when you buy coins, you got to pay a small premium. So for this deal, we ended up needing to sell a few extra ounces of silver above the 360 to make sure we had enough to purchase the 4 ounces of gold. Turns out from the time that we sold those silver coins to when we bought the gold, prices moved just enough in our customers' favor to where and we found a good enough deal on the gold to where we were able to buy our customer 4.1 ounces of gold instead of the 4 they were expecting. Extra gold is always good. So we just received the gold coins that we ordered, and we got the package right here that will break that open. Of course, I've already taken this out of the outer shipping box because that has some personal information on it that we don't want to show. Again, when it came time to buy, we found a seller offering half-ounce gold eagles at a little bit less of a premium than a larger 1-ounce coins. And almost always there's a greater premium for small gold coins. So a half-ounce always has more of a premium than a 1 ounce. A quarter-ounce always has more of a premium than the half-ounce. And 10th-ounce coins always have more of a premium than quarter-ounce coins. So when we saw a deal where we were able to get 2 half-ounce eagles for a few bucks cheaper than a single 1-ounce gold eagle, we couldn't pass that up. So I'm going to go ahead and break this open. I got my scissors here that we always cut our stuff open with. I know Gringo likes to see that, so there you go. I'm going to do this just off camera so I don't cut myself too bad looking at the camera. But just a friendly reminder while I'm tearing this open, if you ever need any help with your next bullion purchase or sale, please don't hesitate to reach out. I'd be happy to help you find what you're looking for, or even just look up some prices for you and help you get the best deal that we can get you. All right, we got that tore open, and let's get in this package and see what we have. Well, we're trying. Oh, they're in there good. Well, that looks like that might be the 10th ounce. Hopefully that's what that is. Oh, here we go. Oh, they put them in a roll. Okay, so there we go. That's our coins. So let's take a look and see what we got. Let's get this one open first, if we can. This here is our 1/10. Beautiful little gold. Look at that. And this one is, it looks like it's a 2019. Again, the deal that we made was just any date. If we wanted to make sure we got all 2025s, it would have cost more. So we just wanted the cheapest gold we could get. So that was the bonus little 1/10 ounce that our customer wasn't even expecting to get. And in here, I'm trying to pull up this tape here that they get on these rolls. Actually, it's coming up pretty easy. I say it was easy, and then now it's not. Get that open there. Some styrofoam. We'll just turn it upside down. Look at that. Beautiful gold spilling all over the place. And there we go. Let's make sure there's enough. 1. Get the styrofoam out of the way. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 half-ounce gold eagle coins. And let's just take a look at one of these. They look to be pretty much all the same. I would expect they're all the same date. They were probably pulled out of a full roll. This one is a 1998. Beautiful coins. Love these gold eagles. And of course, these are the older style Type 1 gold eagles with the so-called family of eagle on the reverse with the... They later changed those in 2021. They went to the Type 2 design, but there we go. Half-ounce, beautiful gold eagles. We got 8 of those total, plus the 1/10 ounce. That gives us the 4.1 that we traded all the silver for. Beautiful coins. Love seeing a nice little pile of gold there. So there you got it. 4.1 ounces of beautiful American gold eagles. Let me know what you guys think about this deal. Did the customer make the right choice swapping silver for gold? And do you think that we made the right choice in choosing half-ounce coins that we were able to get for a little less of a premium than the more common 1-ounce gold eagles? Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, thanks for watching, and we will see you around YouTube.